Hey Chris, yeah, welcome to Aroma Park, just southeast of Kankakee, right where we saw that bowling ball of a tornado on the radar signature blasting through at about 6:30 p.m. last night. Let me tell you first and foremost, as you look at incredible damage behind me, nobody in this neighborhood that we've spoken with was hurt, and nobody in these houses that were so severely damaged was injured. Look at this massive tree that was completely uprooted. Back to this home, this can be indicative. Of course, damage surveys from the Weather Service will tell us the final word, but this can be indicative of EF3 damage, maybe 150, 160 mile per hour winds. That's what happens when you start to see entire floors of well-built homes demolished, and you see the radio tower or steel antenna there that they had on the back. That was completely twisted and bent, as these trees were all pretty messed up as well. Speaking of trees, let me take you back over here, and then we'll meet up with meteorologist Kylie Miller, also here reporting for us live. You see the sheet metal here wrapped around this tree, which was completely split in two. Some of these trees a little bit farther back into the field, you can see we're not uprooted, but instead we're just snapped in half at about 10 or 20 feet off the ground. This tree damage can also be indicative of a strong, rare March tornado, possibly of EF3 strength. We will, of course, wait for the final damage surveys still to come from the National Weather Service. Let's welcome in meteorologist Kylie Miller. You were out here live in the storm-chasing vehicle following that tornado, and you've been gathering new information today as well.
Right, so it's so important to have that ground truth. You and Albert were in studio tracking it, but I was actually out chasing the storm, and we were first on the ground in Kankakee seeing a lot of the damage just like this. And I happened to talk to a storm chaser, Freddie Bryant, earlier today about his experience, who was on the storm all the way from the beginning in Livingston County.
So we started in Pontiac, and then we got to Kankakee, and that's when it got really strong, multiple vortex tornado, and then it turned into just like a big stovepipe, and you could hear it roar. It's pretty intense, the roar that you could hear on this tornado. You could just hear it just destroying things.
Looking at this devastation is horrifying, and we hope everybody will continue to rebuild, and our thoughts and prayers go out to everyone impacted.